Hey traders, how's it going? Good afternoon. What a great day of trading today with some good volatile actions. Wanted to go through and do a recap for you guys. Hopefully, you guys are having a great day as well. Been awesome day in the market. Awesome week. We are closing out the day today. Let's pull that up on screen. So closing out the day today, slightly red. You can see we had one red trade there. Uh, we'll go ahead and discuss that one. That one there was a longer term trade, meaning like throughout the whole day, right? We had multiple hours that we were planning on that one. Ended up not working out as planned. That's okay. And the other more relative short term trades worked out quite well. So we'll go ahead and review that as well as per usual. We'll go ahead and talk about the thesis on the day, the trading ideas we had throughout the day, and then the actual trades that we took. Okay, let's go ahead and bring up here. So for the week, now that it is Friday, we are closing out the week just about 10K on the week. And more importantly, the percentage profitable, about 77% accurate with an 8 profit factor. Now, of course, this is results are not typical, not implied or guaranteed. But for those of you number nerds like myself, max adverse excursion for the week was $64. Max favorable was 158. So really good stats this week. Quite happy with the week in general, as well as the maximum drawdown. So max drawdown for the week was 339. Okay, so and with that, wanted to go over and go through. Uh, some of our members also caught today's trades as well as this week's. We actually had a member meet reach a really good milestone. So those of you who know, we use Apex Trader Funding for our funding. Uh, we do believe in prop firm trading as it provides great opportunity for entry as well as sustainability. Right, really good systems to use. Go ahead and check out the website. And on the website, we have that demonstrated that we go through and review Apex Trader Funding as well as other companies that we use and provide. Or I'm sorry, we use and uh, recommend, I should say. So for some of our members, catch great trades today, and they ended up closing out the week. One of our members actually was recently funded with Apex Trader Funding and received his first payout today. So it's very cool. Really big milestones. And glad to see that amongst the community and traders growing. So here's the screen's not dull. Let me pull that up for you guys. Okay, this is a quick review of our chat room. I want to go ahead and go through everything. And then towards the end of the video, I'll go ahead and go over the membership details later in the video. Go ahead and take a peek. Stay for that if you would like. All right, let's go ahead and get started here. It says our goal here, as you guys know, if you've been watching these videos, is to make profitability sustainable. We have a saying in our community that it's not what you can make, but what you can keep. That's going to be our tagline in these videos from here going forward because it really is something that we deeply believe in. Anybody can throw a dart and make money in the markets, as you guys saw in 2020, 2021 was a big part of those 2 years. A lot of people made money. A lot of finance channels came up, a lot of trading groups, etc. Majority of them are all now uh, by the wayside, right? Either out of the way, channels have been deleted, or no longer trading. It's just part of it. We've been around and been doing this for a long time. So it's just part of how these economic cycles work. So our aim here with our members in our community is with the accuracy that we provide. We have AI systems, bot technology, and with that, we want to create an environment, right, that is sustainable. We're not looking for people to come in and become millionaires overnight. All those fallacy dreams, YouTube's, Lambos, all that stuff. If that's your goal. Good for you. I'm proud. Hopefully, you find that elsewhere. With us, our goal here is to go ahead and provide a sustainable environment. People who are looking to be in this for the long haul, make it through all economic cycles, ups and downs, slow markets, fast markets, etc. Okay? We offer AI technology, we offer bots, we offer indicators, systems, and mentors walking through their trades all throughout the day. So we believe in this community that with that environment, it creates a very sustainable level of accuracy, just kind of like you see here, right? You'll see it through these videos go on. This is roughly right around where we typically hang around, right around 75, 85% where we like to be. And again, that is proven through our systems and our longevity in this market. So let's go ahead and go over the overview of the day and see how the day started. Here is the chat room. Okay, this is our main morning room where we start off, and then we switch over to a live trading room throughout the day. You can see the day started off. Here is the morning thesis, right? General commentary on what's expected, general commentary on any news, headlines, how they'll impact, etc. Just kind of a opinion slash um, market commentary. And then here is where the meat comes in. Fed that in with the commentary here. The SPY bulls right here was the range today was 381.90 to 383.80. Okay, and then we also provide the ES numbers for the ES traders, which is what we mainly trade, like the leverage and the range on those. And SPY bulls' sole mission today is to cause a short covering rally. Pay attention. Okay, if you guys watch these videos, past 2 days, bear's been in charge. Today we were looking for this long thesis here. Okay, this is by closing two 10-minute candles above the top of range, which gives them the initial fuel needed to try for a 60-minute close above 385.36. Okay, and then that goes ahead and opens the pocket above to and or through 389.90, which is roughly right around where we are now. So we'll go ahead and discuss that here in a sec. Yeah, it's going to go ahead and pull up the chart again. So to start off the day, right here where this yellow dot is, this is the open. We initially had a Ninja Trader. We used Ninja Trader and Tradeovate. Ninja Trader was a little bit delayed this morning, as well as TradingView. Must have been a data feed error from the exchange. They're both slightly delayed. Had to restart the systems. So missed out on this amazing trade here. So if we go back and look at the range right here, range was 388.54.50. This is posted in the morning, of course, prior to the market open, to 38.73.50. Okay, let's go back. And that's this range. So immediately out of the open, we come down, test the top of range, come up, test the top of range. Once we saw that failing, said, okay, let's begin to look short. And that's when we started to have the broker troubles. Okay, a little bit of a data lag issue. No big deal. No trades throughout this zone, unfortunately. Went ahead and had to sit still, wait. Then we started to look for further continuation. Right here, we're starting to come back on data. And I said, okay, let's go ahead and look for continuation of the trade. Ended up coming in, no fill for me on any of those. So after that, we just kind of sat tight, let this upthrust a little bit. Once that started to upthrust, then we went ahead and started to discussing the potential for an upwards move. Remember on the morning analysis, okay? Bears really had to keep it below. Go back to that so you can see. Take a view here. By bears today will be looking to not allow the above to occur. Yeah, that's important. And what they were looking for was two 15-minute closes. And right here. You'll notice right here where it says but. But if they do this, then they must stay below for the remainder of the day, or they risk losing control. Okay, very key piece of data there. This, of course, this morning analysis is run by our AI system. Really cool stuff there. So once we had that, right here started to build up into a long position. I'm gonna go ahead and try to go long and discuss with the members. Right here. As soon as this bar closed, we're like, okay, let's go ahead and look for a long. Got long, and unfortunately was wicked. We use a bracketing system, right? That's automatically generated, and just didn't have enough time to adjust before that low wick. Had to stop there at 49. Low of this candle is 49.25. So unfortunately, I was hit there at 49.25. Like my order was filled. So got stopped out. Small tiny loss on that trade. That was okay, but more importantly, the opportunity cost, right? Missed out on this big move. So that was quite unfortunate. No trades there. Then we started to shoot up. Sat tight through all this, and right here started to notice something quite interesting that we discussed with our community. Right as we started to see this, started to see some. We have what we call an accumulator. And the accumulator started to see that price would forward projected up in this zone. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and go and try to go long. So one of our mentors started to discuss that we're going to build a position into this trade here, and with a final ad looking something like this, right in this zone to get up here. Again, unfortunate, did not get the full position size, was only able to get the first entry right there. So had to follow risk management rules in our protocol, and we ended up taking profit on that trade just about right. Still a solid little trade, made for a great day. And by that time, we were just like, there it goes. Okay. Unfortunate, but couldn't get up to size. And you just sit tight and wait. Right? This is what we were discussing. Sitting tight and waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting. The discipline to sit there and be patient and do nothing is very, very key. Okay. And right about here, we started to see, we're going to go ahead and get a number two. Let's go ahead and review that. This is something we offer for our members. See these indicators, these lines that you're seeing on the chart populated? It's all done automatically. Okay. So typically, the way this indicator works is built by our AI system, actually, which is kind of cool. So we have a number one. These little bar number ones tells you that an upward thrust is coming, which will become shortable, or same thing with the yellow is long. In this case, one means do nothing, just waiting, getting ready for a trade. Another one, and then another one. What you want to wait is for a number two, which then will then populate all the trade data automatically for the members. Once that occurs, then that's a possible trade. So we sat tight through all this, waiting and waiting. Once we finally got this number two bar right here, went ahead and took a short position. This purple line becomes then the stop. Added back on this, got a little bit up to size, not quite full size. We didn't get the spike we like to see. And then just went ahead and rode this down all the way. Got the profit target right down here in this wick. And I was all out of the trade on that one. Now, as far as the longer term trade, we were looking for an end of the day rollover. So this trade here is really our main bread and butter. These number twos, right? That would have been really, really nice. So for the trade from that one red trade that I showed you on the P&L screen, started off right here as we started to approach this level. So I'm going to go ahead and build up a core position for a longer term rollover, right? Meaning a couple hours from that point, which was at 9 a.m. in the morning for us. So we were looking for an end of day, see if that would include or not. Ended up not working out, which was okay. Price went up, stopped us out right up in this zone. But that's where that one red trade came from. But as far as this trade was quite well. This is a relatively simple trade to follow. Relatively simple trade to just use and manage on your own screens. Really, really cool to see how the power of AI can work in your favor. So then that was our main trade of the day. And right here, as we were up in this zone, that's where we got stopped out. I believe it was 24 right here, 24. As we approached the level, stopped out. We were very small size on that. Very, very tiny. Added for the last piece for the roll right here. No trade. No successful, no fruition on that trade, I should say, and did not roll over. That's okay. That's our one red trade for the week. I think we are up to 4 red trades for the week. Pull that up. I'll say 4. Yeah, max consecutive losers was 4. We have a total number of losing trades. We use brackets, so that's divided by the amount of share size or contract size that we're taking. The actual consecutive losers was 4. Consecutive winners was 30. So not bad. Not bad of a week at all. No. So wanted to go ahead and just touch up this recap. Has been a nice long week. Gonna go enjoy the weekend. Hopefully you guys are enjoying these recaps. Get to get a peek into how AI and bots, custom scripts can all go ahead and help you guys in your journey. Like I said, our main goal and main mission here is to provide sustainability. Okay, that is our main goal. Oh yes, and I did say I was going to review. Here we go. Okay. Right here, as you can see, this is one of our moderators. He's been posting his trades every week. Great stuff for him for the week. And right here is one of our members that went ahead and had a first time getting fun. He was recently funded and first payout received from Apex Trader, which is amazing to see. Amazing to see traders coming in and having success. With that, I'll go ahead and close out this video. If you like what you see, be sure to subscribe to the daily reports. Come on in, watch the recaps. Comment down below what you're expecting for next week. If you guys like that thumbnail, keep in mind here, let me pull this up again. Right here, what we're looking for is really want to be careful if you're on the bullish side. These two levels here need to hold and just continue. Okay. Next week is going to be a big determining week of what we do in this area here. Quite important. So be sure to follow along, keep up with the recaps, come on into the free Discord community. Okay. Ask any questions. We actually do sessions, group sessions on Saturdays. You guys are free to come in and take a look, take a peek. Tomorrow is our first session for this community and this whole journey that we're starting, right? Building a nice big community for everyone. If you like what you see, come on in, join the free session tomorrow, ask questions, see how we interact, see how we talk about our trades. Okay. And other than that, just be sure to comment below, see what you're thinking about next week. This action, we're going to come up or we're going to go down. Is this failing? Is this just a bull rally? What's your thoughts? What's your opinions? Comment that in the description down below. It would be great to see. I'd like to get some feedback from you guys and from the community, see what everyone is thinking. All right. And again, closing out with our closing statement, community is all about teaching market sustainability and consistency. Okay. That's very important. That's the consistency part. We've been doing this for a long time. And that's only through consistency and discipline. And of course, our systems, right? So hopefully you guys have a great weekend. I thank you guys for watching. Okay. Little by little, we're improving on these videos. By next week, we should have our stream deck, which will make these a lot more streamlined, no pun intended, and more segmented, which will be kind of cool for all you guys. So, any questions? Want to find out anything? Be sure to come on in and ask a question. Go to the website. Links are in the description, and click on the free community, free Discord. So come on in. There's no sales in there, nothing, no upselling, none of that stuff. You just come in, hang out with traders, ask questions, discuss. Feel free to message any one of us. All right. Thank you guys. Have a great weekend. See you Monday.